thank you.
Yeah, just
Thank you. Okay, thank you. The LUXE room is 3,000.
Yes, sir.
So minimum 2,700.
Let's go on the second floor, sir. So now we are running out of rooms because we're fully booked.
Okay.
But I will try to check this one, the 2 rooms.
Okay, okay.
Sir, after you.
Thank you.
This is the superior room, sir.
It's 2,700.
Yes.
Without breakfast.
Without.
Hot water available?
Yes, it comes with hot shower. Complete amenities. You have also safety deposit box, sir. Yes. And then for the mini bar, 2 bottled water is complimentary.
Every day 2 bottle water.
Yes.
Okay. Swimming pool.
Yes. That one is for direct. You can also check online travel, like booking.com, Agoda. You can have a cheaper rate over there.
Cheaper?
Yes. But of course, on online travel, they have the inclusions of breakfast. You can have the inclusions on direct bookings.
Okay, thank you.
Though we have, as of now, we have also a promo. Like the flash deal, we have instead of 2,700, right? Instead of 2,700, we can give you 2,499
2,499.
with breakfast.
With breakfast, so it's good price.
And then for the deluxe, we can give you that one for flash deal promo, 2,999.
2,999.
Yes. This is the deluxe.
Without window. Window on the floor. Safety box.
Same amenities. This picture. This one is alright.
Looks nice room.
The difference is the bed size.
Only bed size
For
different.
the deluxe, it's a king size bed. For the superior, there's a queen size bed.
Okay. TV, Netflix available?
No Netflix.
Ah,
sir.
no, don't have Netflix.
As of now-
Wi-Fi available?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Wi-Fi.
24 hours Wi-Fi.
What speed of Wi-Fi? Speed.
Oh, as of now, it's
So good speed, you
yes,
think?
yes.
Okay, thank you. But now low season and most of the room were full booking already.
Yes, as of now, today is fully booked.
Today fully booked?
Yes, this one is for arrival, but no guest. That's why I checked.
Understand. So very nice. This is new hotel.
No, sir. It started last 2019, so it's almost 4 years.
4 years. 4 years it's new. I think it's new.
good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
But we have also SureStay Hotel along Malabañas, along Angeles also. That's our new hotel. Same management.
What name?
SureStay Studio.
Studio.
Yeah. The comparison was on SureStay Studio. It's a complete facilities. It comes with a kitchenette inside. It's a complete.
It's
you
like
can cook.
apartment.
Yes, you can cook inside.
How much you don't know price?
A little bit higher compared.
Little bit higher. But monthly you don't know.
For
Monthly.
monthly, yeah, they can offer a monthly rate for the SureStay Studio. For SureStay Plus, we cannot give a monthly rate. Instead, we can give discounted per day. Like that's that we can give, sir.
Okay.
Because we are mostly
Okay. Thank you.
most of our days are fully booked, so we cannot give a monthly rates. Especially we have returning guests. So most of, I think 90% are returning guests, sir. But in SureStay Studio, they can offer a monthly rate, range from 50 to 55,000 a day. It's complete facilities. They have their gym, they have their swimming pool, daily amenities, and then daily housekeeping.
Can you write name of studio
Yeah,
here?
sure.
I want to take a look.
Even the number, sir.
Okay, okay.
Prefer SureStay Plus.
Okay,
Here, okay?
okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you. In front is Angeles City Primary Clinic. Many ladies check up here. Entrance to clinic. Turn left. This is exit. We already finished checkup. And inside so many